Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is April the 6th, 2023, and let's take a walk and show you what all is blooming right now here on the flower farm. So, our snapdragons are just starting to come into bloom here. See, they have all the buds on them here. More of them coming up here. Have our little English daisy starting to bloom. Now that white there that you see is diatomaceous earth. That is not powdery mildew. It's diatomaceous earth. We're using that for control of ants and aphids. There's some beautiful pansies here. The roses are coming into bloom back here. I do videos on my channel for how to grow roses as a greenhouse crop. Again, these have the diatomaceous earth on them. It's not powdery mildew or anything like that. We would definitely be taking care of something like that. It's just the diatomaceous earth. We have a V red ranunculus just starting to come into bloom here. We have beautiful yellow ranunculus here. These here are the matchy mix. We have this gorgeous beauty right here. This one here is a matchy ranunculus. And it is a beautiful golden yellow color. It's absolutely gorgeous. And you can see our beautiful statice here. Walked into another greenhouse. We have more statice here. I love the purples. The purples are so pretty. I have one that's a really dark purple. Oh, here, down here. This one here will open to be a really super dark purple, and it's gorgeous. My giant marigolds are just coming into bloom here. They're just starting to get the buds right in the center of them. I can see there's one here, and I've seen some more of them. There's some over here. There's one down here. Our nigella is starting to come into bloom. And my winged everlastings are starting to get ready to bloom. And my exanthemums, they're setting buds to start blooming. And you can see we have more statice here. Look at this gorgeous purple here. We have a blue. There's blue back there. And we have some gomphrenias here. Big thing of gomphrenias. Now this is our this is a Martha Washington geranium. Now technically we don't use this for the flower farm, but we love it and we like to look at it. It's pretty. And our fuchsia baskets are blooming. We have some more statice back there. The hibiscus bush is starting to bloom. And we have a real pretty statice there. That's the apricot color there. So let's go outside and I will show you what we have blooming outside. And you can see we have some hyacinths starting to bloom here. And we have some butterfly daffodils down there. We have some bluebells. We also have grape hyacinths. Some more hyacinths here. You can see the daffodils are starting to come into bloom. We do have some that are blooming. And you can see there's daffodils here. More hyacinths. Over here. We have more hyacinths. Let's see here. Daffodils are blooming. Some kind of little blue flowers back there. I don't know what they're called. More of the miniature daffodils. And here's one of the big yellow daffodils blooming here. So we have a lot more daffodils coming and different things that are going to be blooming. So as more stuff continues to bloom, I'll come back with more video updates. I'll show them to you. The daffodils that were planted down in the long strips, they are starting to bloom from when I divided out my flower bed 2 years ago. And from when I divided my flower bed out. So when it's not windy out and when it's not so cold out, we were 80 degrees yesterday. Today it's pretty cold out. I'll take a walk with the camera and I'll show you what's blooming there. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the notification button. That tells I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.